Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Burfee truffles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of full-fat milk powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup each of ghee and heavy cream. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of aromatic cardamom powder and a pinch of saffron for that authentic flavor. Finally, have some chopped nuts ready for a beautiful finish. These simple components will transform into delightful treats. Now, let's create the rich Burfee base. In a non-stick pan, melt 1/2 cup of ghee with 1/2 cup of heavy cream over medium heat. Gradually add 2 cups of milk powder and 1 cup of sugar, stirring constantly. Continue cooking for about 10 to 12 minutes until the mixture thickens and pulls away from the pan's sides. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a pinch of saffron for an irresistible aroma. This forms the perfect foundation. With our Burfee base ready, it's time for the fun part, shaping the truffles. Let the mixture cool for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's comfortable to handle. Lightly grease your hands with a tiny bit of ghee to prevent any sticking. Take small portions, roughly 1 tablespoon each, and gently roll them into perfectly smooth, round balls. Aim for uniformity in size to make your truffles look professionally crafted and appealing. This step brings them to life. To complete your exquisite Burfee truffles, let's add some finishing touches. You can roll the shaped balls in finely chopped pistachios, almonds, or even desiccated coconut for added texture and visual appeal. Arrange these beautiful treats on a decorative platter for serving. For storage, place your Burfee truffles in an airtight container. They will stay wonderfully fresh and delicious at room temperature for up to 5 to 7 days, ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.